This is Lianrui from Johns Hopkins University. Today I'm going to present a novel MR synthesis framework, which can synthesize realistic MR images with different noise levels. Image synthesis in MR is basically learning an intensity transformation that maps the original contrast image to a target contrast. And many current work are based on the framework where we have a synthesis model and a discriminator. The discriminator greatly improves the realism of synthetic images. However, in this work, we argue that further improvements can be made by incorporating random noise during synthesis. What is changed is that we inject random noise into the synthesis model during both training and testing. We take a unit as our synthesis model, and we conducted several experiments to explore different options to inject noise into the model. And in summary, we found that injecting scalable random noise right after the first downsampling layer of the network provides the best performance. And results show that the proposed method is able to generate realistic MR images and control the noise level in synthetic images. Our experiments include two ablation studies to justify the proposed method generates MR images with different noise levels, and it is also able to preserve the anatomy. Finally, we conducted an observer study to show that the proposed method captures essential features of real MR images. Come to our poster session for more details.